Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious strawberry lollipops. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1/2 cup of light corn syrup, and 1/4 cup of water. Don't forget a few drops of red food coloring and some strawberry flavoring for that perfect taste and vibrant color. Having everything prepped makes the process much smoother and more enjoyable. Now let's cook our candy syrup to perfection. In a heavy-bottomed saucepan, combine your sugar, corn syrup, and water. Stir this mixture over medium-high heat until all the sugar has completely dissolved. Once dissolved, stop stirring and let it boil. Use a candy thermometer to monitor the temperature. It needs to reach exactly 300 degrees Fahrenheit or 149 degrees Celsius for a hard crack stage. With your syrup at the perfect temperature, it's time for the fun part. Carefully remove the saucepan from the heat. Quickly, but gently, stir in your red food coloring and strawberry flavoring. Be cautious, as the syrup is extremely hot. Then, pour the hot candy mixture into your prepared lollipop molds, making sure each has a stick. Let them cool completely for at least 20 minutes before unmolding. Your delicious strawberry lollipops are now ready. Once they've fully cooled and hardened, gently pop them out of their molds. To keep them fresh and prevent them from sticking together, wrap each lollipop individually in cellophane. They make wonderful treats or gifts. Remember to check the description below for a link to some amazing deals, including those fantastic darn tough socks. Enjoy your homemade candy creations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.